Assalamualaikum and very good evening. My name is Muhammad Shahrul Aidin from Unit KL Niat, class 6 SBM2. Today, I'm in Kuala Lumpur International Airport 2 for my project of Fundamental of Airline Economics, which my title for this subject is I will do a documentary about economic growth in Malaysian aviation industry. Now, before I proceed, allow me to give you a history of how Malaysian aviation industry developed and how the economic growth in the Malaysian aviation industry. Let's check it out.
Back in 1911, the first flight in Malaya was recorded by G.P. Fuller flying his internet monoplane and made a first flight ever landed in Malaya at the race course in Jalan Ampang, Kuala Lumpur. This event has become the mark of the moment the aviation industry has set a foot in the Malaysia. Several years later, in 12 October 1937, the first airline commercial company has been established in Malaysia, which is Malayan Airways Limited, or also known as MAL. In 2nd April 1947, Malayan Airways Limited operated its first flight as a national airline from Kuala Lumpur to Indonesia, which turned from a domestic carrier into an international airline in just a decade, which marked the vast growth of aviation economy. With the several new airports also have been constructed from the era of 90s until now, and with the growth of the new airlines company such as AirAsia, Firefly, Malindo, and etc. shows a significant sign of positive economic growth in Malaysian aviation industries. A statistic made by researchandmarkets.com states that the Malaysian aviation industry gross domestic product (GDP) in 2016 was around Malaysian ringgit 5.1 billion, or around 0.5 increment from 2014. And the segment continues to grow at a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 4% increment during 2007 until 2014. For the current issue, in 2017, Malaysia had experienced a worst disaster for the Malaysia as the country's economy drops in global ranking. This caused effect to every sector of industrial sector in Malaysia, and aviation industry is also affected by this economic drop. As the expenses of the aviation industries incline, Malaysia have to figure the way to sustain the profit, or Malaysian aviation industry might go doom if the economic crisis cannot be controlled. According to the newspaper The Star, on 15 February 2016, the Malaysian commercial aviation industry sales are forecast to grow 10.3% per year over the 5 years, boosted by growing middle class and with the improvement of tourism in Malaysia. Will attract more passengers from domestic range to international range following the Malaysian capital expenditure. Growth for the Malaysian commercial aviation industries is forecast to grow at 10.9% per year over 2016 to 2020 due to rapid expansion in air passenger traffic in Malaysia. Now, I will show you where is the benefit of Malaysian aviation industry to Malaysia. As the economy in Malaysia is becoming brittle, the Malaysian aviation industry's economy is sustainable growth and at a stable rate. It is said that until 2020, the economy of Malaysian aviation industries will increase 10.9% in terms of GDP. Thus, this will be benefit to the economy of Malaysia as the aviation industry's economy are able to support the economic crisis that currently occur in Malaysia. In conclusion, the economic growth in Malaysian aviation industry has gone through a many development and has been established.
Instead, we can say that even though there's a global crisis economics, but it doesn't affect so much to the Malaysian business. Shahrul, Aidin, thank you.